Hi guys, let's start building McLaren Senna. In this part we will make interior. I will start with a large interior part, and before starting to glue it I prepare some templates for masking the floor mats for the next steps, as it may be difficult to do this later. Now I am gluing the front wall and the wheel arcs, so we can paint all these parts together in one color in one step. Now everything is glued. Next step, I will remove the visible molding lines from the rest parts of the interior and glue the speakers to the door cards. The parts are now ready for priming, but before that I wash them in soapy water. And then we should prime them with a grey Tamiya primer. I use a 0.4 mm needle and a pressure about 1.2 bar. So all parts are primed and we go ahead. Floor mats get grey color XF63. Then I put on the prepared masks and paint the rest in Tamiya's black X18. After a few hours I mask again and paint over the structural elements of the engine compartment with a titanium silver. Carefully remove the masking tape. The result seems to be nice. Also need to apply matte aluminium to the front levers. Accurately remove the rest masking tape, and the large interior part is ready. We need to add the decals on the floor mats with the Senna logo. To soften the decal I use microsol and then apply acrylic gloss varnish for a little shine. This is a rear wall. It should be painted in two colors, semi-gloss black and matte black. First I apply X18 semi-gloss black and then mask it and apply matte black. I paint the seats in semi-gloss black. All the seats upholstery parts are matte black. All parts are painted. Instrument panel parts. The base gets black semi-gloss, the upper part is matte grey. Part with air ducts in black semi-gloss and the lower part of the panel in matte color. As you can see, it's very convenient, no need to waste time on masking work. Steering wheel, iPad and air duct rings. These are separate parts, it's also convenient to paint. Door cards in X18 semi-gloss black and gas lift in sky blue. The insert in the steering wheel covered with satin acrylic varnish makes the finish a little bit glossy. I use chrome silver enamel paint for brushing and painting small details. And the control buttons on the iPad. Red emergency button. I start assembling the interior. At the first I carefully glue the pedals. Then the center console. I put a decal on the speaker and use a silicone brush to position and smooth out the decals. Glued. Now it's the turn of the back wall. Now I'm taking a liquid tape, stop no, reveal contactor glue, and glue the inspection window. But I won't glue this part to the interior yet. We'll do this later. The dashboard stand also fits comfortably in its place. Two decals with Senna logo on the headrests. And now I want to assemble the driver's seat, driver's panel, and all the other parts in turn. So, both seats are ready, can put them on place. Drivers first, then passenger. Done. It's time to assemble the dashboard. First glue the bottom, now the tachometer. Several decals according to the instructions. And also decals on the tachometer. From the two options I choose the one that is more colorful. We already have enough gray colors. Don't forget the steering wheel logo. And the navigator decal on the iPad. I glue the air duct rings with their transparent travel contactor. Now I am assembling the upper part of the dashboard. I glue the two halves together. My tachometer will be in working position. And now carefully put on the steering wheel in place and the iPad. Dashboard is ready, we only need to install it. Now the speaker decals on the door. And finish assembling the door and install them onto the right place. the interior is ready. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video where I will assemble the engine and chassis. Ciao!